When it comes to joining reinforcement bars, there are three main methods you'll see on site. Welcome to Day 8 of Mission Dream Home. Number 1, overlapping or lap splicing. This is the most common method because it's simple and cost-effective. You just place the bars side by side for the required lap length, so the load transfers through concrete bonding and friction. It works perfectly for small to medium bar sizes, but as the bar diameter increases, the lap length gets longer and that leads to congestion, difficulty in compaction, and sometimes weak spots if the concrete can't flow properly. Number 2, mechanical couplers. These are connectors that physically join two bars end to end. They give you full structural continuity without needing long laps, which makes them ideal for columns, pile caps, and high-stress zones where you can't afford reinforcement congestion. They're strong, reliable, and neat, but they do increase material cost and require proper installation to perform as designed. Number 3, welding. Welding steel bars might sound strong, but in reality, it's the least preferred method. The heat from welding can change the steel's properties, reduce ductility, and even introduce micro cracks if done poorly. It's only allowed when the bar is certified as weldable, and even then it needs strict procedures and skilled welders. That's why most codes avoid it, unless the design specifically demands it. So which is best for performance and reliability? Couplers for everyday work and cost savings. Lap splicing and welding only when absolutely necessary. If you have any doubts related to construction, ask in the comments.
Curing is the process of keeping concrete, brickwork, and plaster continuously moist after construction so cement can properly hydrate and gain full strength. Without proper curing, cracks, leakage, and low strength may occur. RCC columns, beams, and slabs should be cured for at least 14 days, while brickwork requires 7 to 10 days and plaster needs a minimum of 7 days. Start curing within 12 to 24 hours after casting when the surface. Curing is the process of keeping concrete, brickwork, and plaster continuously moist after construction so cement can properly hydrate and gain full strength. Without proper curing, cracks, leakage, and low strength may occur. RCC columns, beams, and slabs should be cured for at least 14 days, while brickwork requires 7 to 10 days and plaster needs a minimum of 7 days.
Shuttering does not allow water to seep through the slope, which makes the structure stronger, so the thing to pay attention while doing shuttering work. First, you should check whether the alignment is correct with a plumb line or laser level. Second, if the shuttering is shaken while pouring concrete, it will not be straight and there is a risk of cracking, so all the shuttering should be strengthened. Third, if there are small holes in the shuttering, the concrete will leak water and that place will be weak, so it should be tight fit, so that there is no gap for water to leak. And finally, we should open the shuttering of the beam and column after 24 to 48 hours, while the shuttering of the slab should be opened only after at least 21 days.